Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace GMC Terrain tail light. Park on level ground, disconnect the negative battery terminal, and remove interior trim panels to expose the tail light bolts. Lay out your tools and a towel to protect painted surfaces. Work methodically, saving fasteners in a small container and labeling them if helpful. If swapping bulbs, handle bulbs with gloves to avoid oil transfer and premature failure. Start by gently prying interior trim away to reach the tail light fasteners, using trim tools to avoid damage. Support the assembly with one hand while you remove the 10 mm bolts so it does not fall. Carefully unclip the wiring harness by depressing the retaining tab and pulling straight out. Inspect the bulbs and socket for corrosion and clean contacts if needed before installing the new unit to ensure a reliable connection. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy while you work on your GMC Terrain. I wear them during long garage sessions, and they really help my feet stay happy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new tail light assembly into position and hand thread the mounting bolts to align it properly, then tighten evenly to avoid stress. Reconnect the wiring harness until you hear the click and ensure the seals sit flush to prevent moisture intrusion. Reinstall interior trim and securely reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, test all lighting functions: brake, turn signal, reverse, and running lights to confirm correct installation and safe operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.